Welcome to Holism Art by Shipra Gupta. In this video, we are going to learn drawing a fun picture of cat and fish. The material required for the artwork will be long scale, pencil, eraser, sharpener, A4 size sheet, oil pastels, flat and round brushes and some toothpicks. We will first draw the border for our drawing using a long scale. After completing the border, I will make a sleeping line or a horizontal line in my drawing area. This line I have drawn not in the middle but a little below from the middle part. Now in the lower part of my drawing area, I am making a rectangle. And I'm making another rectangle inside it. If you want, you can draw these lines freehand without using scale. So these two rectangles are the drawing of a tray. And in this tray, as you can see, I'm making a drawing of a fish. So I'm starting the drawing of a fish by making two concentric circles for the eyes. After that, I will make the body of the fish like a shape of the leaf, and I will complete the drawing of the fish by adding a tiny tail to it. So in this tray, I have drawn 3 fishes. Now I will make a close-up drawing of the face of a cat. So I have drawn 2 curved lines. I'm making a sleeping line. I will join the ends with the curved line using diagonal line. I'm making triangles for the ears. Now I'm making the nose and 2 small circles for a wide smile. Now I'm making the eyes. So this cat is very happy to see the food of her. She likes to eat fishes and she is very happy to see the fresh fishes. Her eyes are also wide open. I'm making the pupil. For that I'm using curved lines. Now I'm making the water waves behind the cat. For this, I'm making wavy lines. So at this corner, I'm making the drawing of the sea area. Now the drawing part is done. We will move to the coloring part, and we need few shades from oil pastels, which you can refer from this color chart which I have shown you. The first color which I am using is light brown color, and I am doing this color in the face of my cat. Right now you may not be able to see the color because of the shadow of my hand. Yes, now you can see clearly. So this is light brown color which I am doing in the face. Do this color evenly around the eyes, nose, smile and the inner part of the ears. Now I have changed the color. I am using medium yellow. So I am doing the coloring in patches. You must have seen few cats or dogs having the patch on their body. Again, I have switched the color to light brown. So I will be using these 2 light shades of yellow, light brown and medium yellow for the face. Now the coloring in the face is almost done. Let's see what next color we are going to pick for this work. And this is flesh tint color. This is a shade of peach. I have used it in the inner part of the ears. Now this is geranium red I'm using for the circles of the smile. And the same geranium red for the nose. The next color which I am going to pick is emerald green color, and using this color for outlining the eyes. So some cats used to have green color of their eyes. I'm using the emerald green color at the corners of the eyes. Now I'm using yellow green color for the pupil. And this is black color for the center part of the pupil. Now I'm doing the colors in the fishes. So I'm doing the base color first of all, and I will be mixing some dark colors over the fishes later on in this video. So I have used the combination of medium yellow and geranium red for the first fish. For the second fish, I'm using the combination of yellow green color and emerald green color. So I'm using a light dark combination of color. Now for the third fish, I'm using flesh tint at first. Over flesh tint, I will be doing geranium red color. Now I'm using gray color for the background of the tray. I'm doing this color around the fishes evenly within the lines. After this gray color, let's see what next color we are going to pick. This is dark brown color, which I am doing in the eyes of the fishes and in the outside part of the rectangle. Do this color very carefully into this thin part of your drawing. Try not to take your color out from the lines. Do it nicely and cleanly. You can use the edge of the colors to fill in the thin or the tiny parts of the drawing area. Okay, so now I am doing this dark brown color on my cat's face, leaving the eyes, inner part of the ears, and the smile and the nose of the cat. So I'm mixing the dark brown color over the two light colors which I have used for the face. So you have to put a medium pressure on the dark brown color. Don't put too much pressure, otherwise your color might get break. The dark brown color is done. The next color which I will pick is Prussian blue color, and I'm doing this color over the green fish. I wanted to make it little more darker. And I'm using dark brown color for the third fish. Again, the Prussian blue color for the first fish. Now I'm doing the light brown color around the cat's face. So this cat is having her food at the beach side. So this area I'm doing light brown color, showing the sand of the sea beach. Over this color we are not going to mix any other color. Do it evenly, nicely. Don't leave the white gaps between your coloring. Now I will color the water part. I'm using light blue color in this part of the sea. Move your color according to the shape which you are coloring. I'm using the same light blue color, but I'm leaving one block of the wavy shape in between. And in this corner part also. Now the next color which I am using is cobalt blue, which I am doing in the left out waves. The base color for the water part is done. Now I'm using medium yellow color for the table on which the tray of fishes is kept. Medium yellow is a very light color, so do this color very carefully around the tray, because the edges of the tray is having dark brown color, which might get mixed with this light medium yellow color. Now using the finger, I'm mixing the blue colors of the water part. Now I'm using Prussian blue color on the top of the water area. I'm mixing this Prussian blue color over light blue and cobalt blue waves, both the waves. Now after using this Prussian blue color, the coloring work will be done. We will use the toothpicks to do the scratching work. So I'm using a toothpick and I will scratch first on the cat's face. So you have to scratch the area in small dashes up and down. So I'm starting it near from the ear area. So using this technique, I'm showing the hairline of the cat's fur coat. You can see where I have used the medium yellow color. The strokes, the scratching part is coming out little bright, and where I have used the light brown color, these scratching lines are coming out little dark. So make the waves in the fur of the cat's face. In the video, it is appearing that I am doing my work very fast, but I have tempered the speed of the video. So you do your work or the scratching technique very carefully and slowly. You can pause the video till then and do your work comfortably. Now I'm making the design on the body of the fish using this toothpick. So I will make different design on the body of the fish. In the first fish, I have made the small zigzag lines. If you have noticed, the body of the fish generally shines in metallic colors. So this technique will give you that kind of effect. Now I'm working on the second fish. I have made the sad face for this fish. As you can see that she is dead and the cat is going to eat her. So she is feeling little sad. Now I'm working on my third fish again. She is also sad. Here I'm making scallop lines, curve lines for the design. This part will take little efforts and time, so do it very carefully and be very patient. Now I will make some lines with the toothpick in the water part, showing the water waves. I will make some patterns and designs also to make this water area look interesting. So here I'm making again the wavy lines very close to each other. Now I'm making some bubbles, or you can say some tiny dots in the second part of the water wave. You can make any kind of interesting designs which you like to do. I'm making some circles around these dots. Now in the third wave, I'm again making the wavy lines very close to each other using the scratching technique. So you can see how we have made our work look so interesting and enjoyable using this scratching technique. The simple coloring would make the picture look little boring, but these techniques will make the artwork very much enjoyable and interesting visually. We are about to complete the coloring. I hope you have enjoyed and will try this artwork by your own. See you in the next video for learning more interesting artworks. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Holism Art by Shipra Gupta. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and bye bye.